On last turn, I do the question number 7 of exercise 8.1. Now today we will do it. Question number 8 of exercise 8.1. The given question is, if question number 8, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether one minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Now see it, 3 cot A is equal to 4, so cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. So draw a right angle triangle. This is given A, so angle A is this one. This right angle triangle B, this is C. Cot is base upon perpendicular, so base is AB, perpendicular is BC, so AB is 4K and BC is 3K. Apply Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is AC square, perpendicular is BC square and base is AB square. Now putting the value, BC is 3K square, AB is 4K square. So it will be 9K square plus 16K square, so it is 25K square, and AC is square root 25K square, that is equal to 5A. Now take the left hand side. Left hand side is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So what is tan A? Tan A is perpendicular upon base. For angle A, perpendicular is 3K, base is 4K, K cancel, 3 upon 4. So 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, that is 1 minus 3 upon 4 square upon 1 plus 3 upon 4 square. So it is 1 minus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Here 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 16 is the LCM, it will be 16 minus 9. Here is also 16 is the LCM. 1 16 ja 16, 16 1 ja 16, 16 plus 9. So it is 7 upon 25. Now right hand side is cos square A minus sin square A. Cos is base upon hypotenuse square, sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse square. Base is 4k upon 5k, perpendicular 3k upon 5k. This k cancel. It is 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. So it will be 7 upon 25. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. These are equal. Let us see question number 9. First part. Given to you tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Find the value of first part. Find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So, if this is a right angle triangle, tan A is 1 upon root 3, tan is perpendicular upon base. This is angle A, this is 90 degree, perpendicular is BC, base is AB. So, BC is K and AB is root 3K. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is root 3K whole square plus K square. 3K square plus K square, it becomes 4K square. Therefore, AC is square root 4K square. Its square root is 2K. So, AC is 2K, BC is K, it is root 3K. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, K upon 2K, this cancel it. Sin C, for angle C, perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC, root 3K upon 2K, root 3 upon 2, cos A, base upon hypotenuse, base is root 3K, hypotenuse is 2K, it become root 3 upon 2. cos C for angle C, base is BC, hypotenuse is AC, K upon 2 K, that is 1 upon 2. Now sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, 1 upon 2, cos C is also 1 upon 2, cos A is root 3 upon 2, sin C is also root 3 upon 2. So it will be 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 4, that is 1. In the same way, you will do it second part of question number 9. Now see the question number 10. In a right angle triangle, PQR PR plus QR is 25 centimeter, PQ is 5 centimeter, and angle Q is right angle, this is 5, let QR is X. So PR plus X is equal to 25, PR is equal to 25 minus X. So it is 25 minus X, this is X. Now by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR is 25 minus X, PQ is 5 square, QR is X square. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B, that is 25 plus X square. 625 plus X square minus 50X is equal to 25 plus X square. X square and X square cancel, minus 50X is equal to 25 minus 625. Minus 50X is equal to minus 600, X is equal to 600 upon 50. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, that is 12 centimeter. And so QR is 12 centimeter and PR is 25 minus X, that is 25 minus 12, 13 centimeter. Find the value of sin P. Now sin P perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so it become 12, it become 13, so 12 upon 13. Cos P base upon hypotenuse, that is 5 upon 13, and tan P perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is 12 upon 5. So this is the answer. So homework is exam question number 9 second part and question 11. This was the question 10, the question 11 and कर दिया मैंने, and example number 1, 3 and 4, 5. Example 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay.